L. Today we're learning the sound L, the sound and the sound
D.
Touch the letter. This letter makes the sound L. Move the bubble L that you hear in lip. Great! You've learnt the sound L. Discover the next letter. Listen carefully. This letter makes the sound Move the bubble which is in Mum. Brilliant! Now you know the sound. Discover the next letter. Now you know the sound. Discover the next letter. Listen carefully. Your letter makes the sound
D.
Move the bubble
D.
as in Dad.
Whoa!
Well done. Now you know the sound.
D.
Come play now. Well done. Now you know the sound.
D.
Come play now. Well done. Now you know the sound.
D.
Come play now. Show me. Where is the sound L?